So this is the actual control panel, and this is the joystick, so I can turn to the left, I can turn to the right. This is the remote, so technically if I wanted I could turn it to red, and this is the remote, the key fob, and I can technically go forward, I can go back, I can go left, and I can go right. So that's the key fob. I can turn that off. This is speed. So that's the fastest speed. I usually keep it right there, but I can go as low as a snail or I can go as fast as a rabbit. This is obviously speed. Main power to the actual Tek unit. And then from there I also have levers that go up and down which control the actual waist strap and the bolts that you drop through the waist strap. This actually controls that. So once I have this button red, then I can lower my waist. I don't know if you can see it, but it lowers it down. Or I can lower it or pull it forward. I can do them at the same time, one at a time, however I want. And then before I leave again, I'll turn it off. And now I'm ready to go.